If planning makes you feel more stressed, you're not bad at planning. You're just doing a few things that quietly wreck it. So today I'm going to show you 7 planning mistakes that actually create overwhelm and the simple fixes for each. And we're going to start with the biggest one. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to stop doing, what to start doing instead, and how to make your planner feel like support again. Simple, realistic, and actionable. I'm Nancy, and this is Sweet Planet. Simple planning and easy systems for women who want to feel organized again. So let's dive in. Mistake number 1, you're planning for the perfect week instead of the real week. Some of us plan like we have unlimited energy, no interruptions, and a magically quiet house. Then Monday happens and the plan collapses. If this sounds like you, raise your hand. Here's what to do instead. Plan around your calendar first. Look at what are your real commitments that are actually on the calendar, and then choose what you can fit in around those commitments. For example, if Tuesday is packed, don't write down that Tuesday is going to be your deep work day. It's just self-sabotage by doing that. And then you're going to feel like a failure that you didn't get the deep work done on the busiest day of your week. Mistake number 2, you're treating every task with the same priority. A list of 18 items with no priorities is not a plan to me, it's a panic menu. So here's what I want you to do instead. Not all 18 of those things on the list, maybe that's your dump list. You got them all out of your head, you put them on paper. Just because they're on the list does not mean they're all top priority. So instead of working from that list and feeling like everything has to be done right away and then you panic and don't do any of it because it's too overwhelming, pick a top 3 for the day and then a weekly top 3 for the week. And having a top 3 won't give you pressure. Instead, it's going to give you direction. Everything else can exist and you'll get it done, but it's not driving the day. Just pick the top 3 things that are important for that day, so that you feel good by the end of the day when you got those done. And then do the same thing for your week, and you can work on those priorities all week long. Mistake number 3, writing tasks that are too big to start. And by too big to start, I mean tasks that are like clean the house, get healthy, fix my business. These are not tasks. They are vague life assignments and they're not actually doable. So instead, what you want to do is this. You want to shrink every one of those things down to a first step. So instead of writing clean the house, you could write clean up the kitchen counter in 2 minutes. Instead of get healthy, it could be walk for 10 minutes after lunch. Instead of fix my business, it could be outline 3 bullets for the next video. A plan that you can actually start is a plan that you're going to do. And it's making all of those tasks easy, achievable, and actionable. Mistake number 4, keeping your plan in 5 different places. If you keep your plan in your planner, plus on sticky notes, in the phone notes, in a random notebook, and also think, oh, I'll just remember it. That's not planning, it's a scavenger hunt. Your plan needs to be in one consistent place all the time. So just do this. Instead, figure out a home base. You can still jot ideas down anywhere, but once a day, they all go back into the home base. It could be one planner, one notes app, or one notebook, just one place to house everything. And you'll get a lot of clarity because everything you need is coming from one place. Mistake number 5 is not giving your tasks an actual home on the calendar. If it's not scheduled, it becomes sometime. And believe me, I know this. I've been meaning to make an appointment for months, at least 6 months, maybe longer. And I just keep dragging it out. It'll pop up on my calendar and I reschedule it for a week out, 2 weeks out. And guess what? It's still not gotten scheduled. So here's what you need to do instead. You need to give the tasks a home. Instead of work on a goal, write Wednesday after coffee, 20 minutes. You can even set an alarm to do that. Or after dinner, 10-minute reset. Give it a time or a trigger. That's going to be enough for you to get it done. Mistake number 6, restarting from scratch every time you fall off. If you miss 2 days at something, suddenly you're like, well, I guess I ruined everything. Do this instead. Follow one rule, and it's called the never miss twice rule. You miss it once, fine. Restart tomorrow, even if it's just a minimum version. Instead of a 30-minute walk, just go do a 10-minute walk or a walk around the block. That's how you're going to get consistent and back in the game and not just abandon the whole thing. Like, well, I missed, I guess I'm off of it, forget it, the whole thing's over. And that's how you'll be able to keep this going in real life. Just do a quick restart. You don't have to do a perfect streak every single day. Mistake number 7, using planning as procrastination. And this one is very sneaky, and I know I have definitely done this. You plan, you rewrite, you color code, you replan, and somehow the task never actually happens. So do this instead. Plan just enough to start. Then do a starting line sentence. It could be the starting line sentence for the day like this: coffee, top 3, and then the first step of whatever your thing is that you need to do. And begin, because you know what? Planning and color coding and all that, that is not the work. Planning is just there to support the work. So here's a recap of the 7 things that are wrecking your planning. Planning the perfect week, no priorities, tasks that are too big to start, too many planning places, nothing is scheduled, restarting from scratch, and planning as procrastination. And you know what? The fixes are simple. Look at your calendar first, choose your top 3, shrink the goals, have one home base, give it a home, never miss twice, and just get started. And here's your challenge. Pick just one mistake you know you're doing and fix it this week. And I'd love to know which one hit you the hardest. Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you. Happy planning, and I'll see you in the next video.